Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 166 Cliffside Drive in Bristol Harbour on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is a totally updated designer showcase condo with spectacular views. So let's take a tour. Upon entering this waterfront condo, you'll see everything's been totally updated. Featuring a beautiful kitchen with custom wood cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and quartz countertops with a breakfast bar. Open to a living area with crown molding and beautiful floors, all with those breathtaking lake views. This condo also features an updated bathroom with laundry, plenty of closet space, and a spacious master bedroom. Just off the great room, this private balcony has a sitting area overlooking the lake with a direct view of Bear Hill. Enjoy morning coffee with a sunrise and afternoon shade with dramatic southern views.
Enjoy the lake lifestyle. Bristol Harbour Village offers a clubhouse featuring living and gathering space, including a library, game room, and exercise room, all with adjacent tennis courts. Enjoy easy access to the private sand beach. Dock your boat at the harbor or even the available boat hoist. Situated on the west side of Canandaigua Lake, Bristol Harbour features a golf course and is minutes away from the city of Canandaigua.
Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain. What a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 166 Cliffside Drive in Bristol Harbour on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!